How to fit an electric-operated garage roller shutter door, internal face fix. The guides are 75mm wide and 34mm deep. Drill guide fixing holes 7mm along the length and through both sides. Enlarge the holes on the side, which will be away from the wall, to 13mm. Locate the end plate into the guide rail and offer into position so the edge of the guide is flush with the end of the brickwork. Use a spirit level to make sure the guide is properly vertical. Fix the guide into position through the end plates and holes you drilled. Offer the axle into position. Use a spirit level to make sure it is perfectly horizontal. Repeat the guide installation process with the right-hand guide. Fix the remote control unit to the wall and connect the motor cable and connect the power supply. You then need to tension the spring in the axle by pushing the down or close button on the remote control unit. The correct tension is usually 7 or 8 full turns, but you can find exact detail for your product from the label on the axle. Roll the curtain over the axle and into the guide rails. Place a block under the curtain to assist when attaching the axle. Open the axle collars. Remove the brackets and attach to the curtain. Position the brackets back into the collars. Close the collars and rivet them into the groove of the axle. Setting the motor limits. Remove the protective cap from the head of the motor. Fully depress both limit switch buttons. They will lock down into position. Use the override handle to make sure the curtain is touching the floor and the locking bolts engage into the locking comb. Set the motor closed or down limit by releasing the limit switch. Use the override handle to raise the door. 50mm should still be in the guide. Set the motor open or up limit by releasing the limit switch. Replace the protective cap. Attach the safety edge transmitter to the bottom slat. Fix the top magnet to the guide 50mm below the transmitter. Attach the bottom magnet 200mm from the floor. Follow the instructions to commission the door, then it is ready to use. How to measure for an electric-operated garage roller shutter door, internal face fix. Shutter width is equal to drive-through width plus 150mm. Shutters wider than 4600mm will require plus 90mm each side. Total height is equal to guide height plus headroom. The end plate size, headroom, is determined by the height of the shutter. Doors up to 2500mm opening height require 300mm end plates. Doors up to 3500mm opening height require 350mm end plates. That's all the measurements we need for your order.